As we look back over this century and a half of service, in war and in peace, we see that, like every other section of Jewish life, the great tragedy of this period was the Holocaust, in which our districts 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, and 18 were destroyed by the Nazis. But we're reminded, too, that one of the first things the Nazis were to do were to burn the books and undermine the people of the book. But fortunately, the Jewish community of the world is revived, is sustained, is expanded, and chief among those writers of the books is an individual of great talent and creativity. His favorite book, he tells me, is Trinity. I think the Hajj has a message which needs to be told, but the fact is that Exodus, written by Leon Uris, has probably created an understanding of the people of Israel's creation of the land of Israel. And it's a great privilege this evening to present Leon Uris.